Good morning guys. My name is Hannah. For those who are new to my YouTube channel, living in Mombasa at the place we call Maweni at the village guys. It's a very beautiful morning guys. You can see the sun is coming out. It's very early in the morning. I'm going to start my video from here. I want to show you guys, it has been raining the whole night. Even now it's raining. It has started raining guys, you can see, but I can see the rainbow there. Maybe it's not going to rain guys. That is the rainbow. This one here, it's a rainbow guys. It's raining, you can see, and the sun is there guys. I want to show you the sun. That is the sun there guys. It's raining now and we are so happy for the rain guys. Those are the goats, very early in the morning guys. And later I'm going to the shamba because I want to plant the vegetables guys. Yeah, I'm so happy for the rain guys. You can see the sun is there and it's raining guys. That is the sun and it's raining guys. Yes, my son tomorrow, he will go to school tomorrow, not today. Today is on Monday. Jimmy will go to school tomorrow on Tuesday. He's in the house guys. Yes, it's raining. We thank God for the rain. It's raining guys, you can see. Wow, we thank God for the rain guys. It's raining, beautiful place. You can see beautiful morning. That is the rain guys. It's raining. Let me go inside the house guys. Wow, that is the rain guys. It's raining. We are so happy and we thank God for the rain. Wow, it's raining. Yes, it's raining guys, you can see. So happy for the rain. We thank God for the rain. Wow.
Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is called Jimmy from East Africa, Kenya. Today God has given us the rain. Guys, you can see my mom has his boots here.
My gumboot guys.
Guys,
you are carrying what?
I am carrying
the panga. Yeah.
Guys, we are going to our kitchen garden to plant vegetables.
Yes guys, come along with us guys. We plant our
vegetables.
Yes. Guys, this is my gumboot. You can see we are going to the shamba. This one here, we are going to our kitchen garden to plant the vegetable guys. It has rain guys. We are happy for the rain. This is how I wear guys when I'm going to the shamba, especially when it has rained. Still very early in the morning. It's around 8 now, Jimmy.
Yes.
Guys, this is my gumboot. And guys, I have the manure here. Wait. Come. I put on this is the manure guys. I'm going to plant with it. dough. This is the panga of my neighbor, guys. I bought my guys. I bought my panga, but it got lost. This is where I'm going to put my phone. I want to save my phone because of the rain. I have some plants here. I'm going to plant. Guys, this is our water for drinking, me and my son drink. So guys, let's go. Guys, now usinamisha video. Guys, we are at the village. You can see from them up. The rain, a lot of rain. Yeah, we are going, me and my son Jimmy, because tomorrow we will go to school. So he's the one who is a camera person. Yes, guys. Let's go. We are going to fall. Yeah, let's go. Oh, this place is slippery. This is manure I put in this cement bag. Yes. Kaka.
Oh! You can see, guys.
That is the goat.
Guys, you can see I am carrying manure. This is manure we are going to put on our kitchen garden.
Guys, you can see rain is there still. And the sun is there, guys. We are in the village. This is the village. Marahaba. That is Jimmy carrying the manure. He's a hard-working boy. Still on the way, guys. The sun, guys, has come out. Oh, the sun has come out. We are just near our kibandaski, where we used to eat before, not now. Right now we are just at home. I just cook at home, guys. Guys, this is beans. Umeweka coconut nini? She put three coconut. This is mahamri. Tupatie kwa mahamri ya 20. Mahamri ya 20. This is mahamri, guys. We are in Mombasa. In mandazi. This is mandazi. There is a difference of mandazi and mahamri. Yeah, this is mandazi. That is chapati. Guys, this mama is the owner of this place. She's a very hardworking lady. You can see her. So many years cooking chapati and beans, and she has a lot of customer, guys. Wambie hi, ambia watu hi. Yes, she's a very hardworking lady. This is her house. Very hardworking lady. You can see it's easy. It's already rolled chapati, you can see. And huge sufuria of beans, guys. We want to eat here before we go to the shamba, guys. Yeah, we want to eat here. We want to eat here before we go to the shamba. We want to promote her today. Si ndio tukupromote leo? Yeah, this is her daughter, and for me, I'm the customer of this place since last year. Sema hi, wasalimia watu. Hi. Yes, this is the Kibandaski. This is Jimmy. We want to eat here. Jimmy, want to eat here? Jimmy is hungry. He says that he want to eat. Okay, let us eat here. Yes, guys, this is maharagwe nazi. That is how we call maharagwe nazi. This one here, we want to eat me and Jimmy. Yes. Yeah. Usimwage jenga. Haya, weka pale. Yes.
Amata Jimmy.
Jimmy, yes. Guys, this is me with my son Jimmy. We are at Kibandaski. Beans and mandazi.
Ni mahamri.
Hii ni mandazi. Hii ni mandazi ama mahamri. Kwa kwetu ni mahamri. Mahamri. Kiswahili. Yeah, Kiswahili it's mahamri. But bara huko mandazi. $10, $20, $30, $40, $50. Guys, this food is 50 shillings here in Kenya, guys. 50 shillings. Simamisha hapo. Guys, it's chapati time now. She want to cook chapati for us. We are going. Jimmy, let's go. Guys, this is our Kibandaski. This is where we eat. But it has rain. That is why you see water. Yes, lot of customers at this place. Later they will come. There are so many. Guys, the sun has come out. Me and Jimmy, we are going. Jimmy, let's go. Guys, we have eaten at our Kibandaski, guys, beans and mandazi, or even mahamri. Yes, our stomach is full. Now we are going to work. Jimmy, you enjoy the food?
Yes, it is yummy.
Yes. Now it has rained, but you can see the sun, guys. Yeah, let us go together. Yes. Guys, this is cassava at the village. Jimmy, let's go. Jimmy is carrying the jembe. Jimmy, what are you carrying?
I am carrying the jembe with the bag.
Yes. So let's go, guys.
You can see I am going to the shamba.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Tanguka. We are just near. Oh, sorry. We are just near there, guys. That is our unfinished house. Yeah, let's go, Jimmy. Guys, that is Jimmy, very tired. We are now at our kitchen garden, guys. This is our kitchen garden. Now, we want to transfer this. We want to transfer this mchicha. Yeah? Hakuna. Hamjambo. Yes, we want to transfer this, then we plant it somewhere there. We are going to remove those beans, guys, because I want to plant there. Yeah, this is our kitchen garden. And the maize, oh sorry, not the maize, guys, the beans. Guys, you can see the beans is already dry. We are so happy for the rain. Yeah. Guys, we are going to remove the beans because we want to plant there. That is Jimmy. Jimmy, what are you doing?
I'm removing the beans.
Yeah, Jimmy is removing the beans. We want to plant at this place. Yeah. Remove all of them, Jimmy, because we are going to plant at that place. Guys, there is something good here. You can see this one is green pepper. This one is green pepper, guys. Our green pepper is doing well. This is green pepper, guys. It's doing well. You can see there are so many there. Even on the other side, green pepper. Yes, that is Jimmy. Jimmy is harvesting the beans. Yeah, and I want to make sure that I plant today, and I'm going to make the place to be clean, guys. Yeah, Jimmy is harvesting. My son, I'm teaching my son life in the village, and now he's used. Yeah, remove them all. Guys, we plant when the rain is over. That's why we are just removing them, but we are going to eat them. Yes, there are some there. We are going to eat like this one. There are so many here. They are there. We are going to eat them like that. Remove them, remove them. You can see. Yeah, we have beans, guys. We are going to eat. Yes. Life in the village, guys. Remove all. We are going to cook beans and rice. Yeah.
Good. Can see, guys, my mommy is harvesting
The beans.
Yes.
This is the beans, guys. I'm going to leave that one. We plant late, guys. That is why. And there was no rain. But I decided to harvest this one here because I want to plant something else. Yeah. They are not doing well. That's why I've decided to remove them. But there are some that we are going to eat from here. They are
Yeah.
there, guys. You can see like this one is doing well. This one here, but I have to remove it because this place I want to plant something else. Yeah, I'm going to plant something else. Let this one remain here.
Money cat.
Yes. Guys, Jimmy is making the hole. He's now digging the hole. Is enough, Jimmy, where we are going to plant. Yes, good boy. I already teach Jimmy life in the village, and he like it. Yes, and yes, yeah. The hole. That is the hole of planting our vegetables. We remove them from the nursery, guys. Yeah. Yes, that one there. Another one. Yes. I'm just teaching him, but I'm going to repeat again. Yes. Sasa wacha nikuje sasa. Haya, ingine hapo penye umekanyaga hapo juu. What are you doing, Jimmy?
I am
Jim is digging the hole. We are going to plant our vegetables. Okay, the next. Yes.
Go. English.
Guys, now it's soft down, it's soft. The soil now, it's soft. That's why I'm making myself to. But before it was very hard, before the rain has rained, guys. But now we can do it. Move the suckers. Life in the village, guys. Wow. Guys, it's time for Jimmy. This is Jimmy. And you make sure you remove the suckers.
Okay.
Put the djembe up to down. Yes. Yes, like that. Good, good. Well done. Yes. And there is some stones down slowly. Guys, we are in Mombasa. A lot of stones down, but I'm happy my area at this part, there's no stones. But that side there, that side, a lot of stones. I think it's rocks, I don't know. Yeah. Guys, you can see the sun, it's too much. But we have to do it. We have to do it. Yes. I'm so happy, my son. Yeah, keep it up. Keep it up, my son. So happy.
Guys, you can see my mommy is limaring our shamba.
No, I'm digging the shamba.
Yes, is digging the kitchen garden.
Oh, stones. Oh, rocks. I told you there is a lot of rocks here, guys. Like this one is a rock. It's a very big stone. I think this one is going to end from here. Because I want us to plant here. Also here. Then there we are going to plant something else. Here we are going to plant something else. I want to everything I put itself. Yes. Ndio watu wafanye nini?
Guys, make sure you subscribe like, comment and share.
Yes. Kata sasa. Guys, I'm levelizing the place so that when I put the what inaitwa nini mitaro, I'm going to put the lines, guys.
Yes, the lines.
Yeah, where I'm going to plant. Jambo.
Jambo, jambo.
Eh. Kata video is too mrefu. Guys, I'm making the holes because I want to transfer my nursery of muchicha vegetable up to here, guys. And here I have the seeds. I will search that seed, guys. I don't know in English, but I have to search. English is not vegetable. I'm going to put the nursery here, and here I'm going to plant that nursery. Bring it here, guys. Guys, simple life in the village. And guys, we love what we are doing.
3, 2, 1, go.
Guys, these lines I want to put the nursery. That's why I'm making like this. I want to put the nursery. Guys, I was not born in the village. I just come from Rift Valley, but I came here in Mombasa because of my daughter. She was schooling in Kilifi in boarding school. That's why I came here and I found myself. I am in Mombasa, guys. I was born in the city in Eldoret, Rift Valley, Eldoret, guys. But now I found myself, I'm in Mombasa, and I decided to live in Mombasa because my daughter likes here in Mombasa. That's why I'm trying my best to be like those village people. And I'm a hardworking mama. Once I have this plot is 50 by 100, guys. You can see that is our house, unfinished house, and this is our kitchen area. I'm just making the shamba to be organized. The time we finish our house, guys,
We'll be with
we'll
many.
be having a lot of foods, guys, organic food, guys. This one I just learned from other people, not even my mom, because my mom, yes, these are real life. I was born in the town, not in the village, but I'm trying my best to do whatever I can so that I have my organic food from there, the garden, guys. Guys, this is chicken manure. This one here, this is chicken manure, and it's very good for planting. Now I want to plant. Now I'm going to put at the line, just like that, chicken manure, guys, and it's very good for planting at your kitchen garden. Yes. This one I'm learning from others. Yes, and I don't want to be left behind. I want to do what other people are doing. That's why, guys, I told you, just leave a comment and tell me the type of the video that you want me to show you. guys, this is what I have been doing with Jimmy. We already planted, guys, our vegetables, guys, and I already dig that place. You can see the place is looking nice, guys. You can see the place is looking nice. And guys, this is where I take the nursery. I couldn't record because I was left alone. Jimmy went home. This is where I took the nursery, from here to that place. You can see that is what I've done with my son Jimmy. And here I already put the seeds. This is the place I put the seeds. Yes, guys. That is what I have been doing, me and my son Jimmy, to our kitchen garden, guys. Yes. So guys, hope you are going to enjoy this video. Jimmy went home, he left me alone. Yes, guys, that is what I have done at my kitchen garden. I already planted the vegetables. You can see, guys. Yes, because the rain is there, we are going to add more and more. Yes, guys, that is my kitchen garden, guys. You can see. Yes, I've tried my best. Yes, guys. So guys, kindly subscribe to my channel, show me love, take me even to 500 subscribers, guys. Yes, I'm so happy for my new subscribers, guys. Every day we are growing, and that is what we want, guys. Yes, subscribe to my channel, guys. Write a comment, guys. Leave a comment. I'm going to appreciate, because you are the one who make me to be here, guys. Yes, just write a comment. Yes, and I will reply, guys. Yes, take us to even 500 subscribers. We are going to appreciate, guys, and we thank you everyone who came across our YouTube channel and subscribe, guys. And we love you so much, and may God bless you, all of you. Yes, guys, and we have seen the miracle, because this is God's miracle, guys. And guys, that is my unfinished house. And that house, I want to tell you the truth, it's my daughter who is building for me. Something small she got, she just gave it to me. Then we build our dream house, guys. That is our dream house. Yes, she's trying her best, and may God bless her. Her name is Tyra. Yes, guys, subscribe to my channel. It's now at the evening time. We went home because the sun was too much. Subscribe to my channel. You like, you comment and share, and we love you, guys. Yes, support my channel by watching, guys. Support our channel. It's me and Jimmy, sorry. Yes, subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye. See you to the next video. Yes, guys.